Hello guys, this is Max from Accolmile, and today I want to convert my bike, this beautiful Cannondale, and I will adjust on my bike Tongsheng motor. Yeah, 750 watt Tongsheng motor. I'm going to exchange my BBS02 to Tongsheng motor and try it, feel it, how it perform. So take a look here. This is motor, cable. This is special tool. To me looks the same like Bafang tool. Speed sensor. Connector cable. Cranks, nuts, and chain wheel. Of course, we have display here, yeah, and also throttle. Yeah, I will bring it later. First, I want to try this motor on the bike. First problem which I see here, the motor connected to suspension. This problem I didn't have on BBS. Unfortunately, here I have this small problem, but actually I will try this suspension. I suppose it wouldn't be some friction or something here. Okay, at this moment I need to think how to arrange cables in future. So guys, what I see actually the same mount. Okay, problem number one, how I can screw this nuts inside. Yeah, I have smaller one, but I need this for chain wheel. Yeah, and I need longer one, but I cannot screw inside because not enough of thread. So I will take this one from chain wheel and then exchange. Okay, I have my special tool, yes, very strong, but I will try to use this one which we have in the kit. Try this tool. Every time when I make conversion I add some glue over here, yes, Loctite, but this motor I want to try without glue. Maybe they find out some solution. Actually here a little bit different plate, so I suppose can be like hold the pressure of the motor. To me this tool the same like Bafang applies in their kits. Yes, so not better, not worse. And I say to Bafang all the time that they need to use usual tool, yes, not special one, usual screw, that I can use this tool, and every bike shop can use this tool. Now So you see, I need give a lot of effort to screw up this nut. Yeah. So let's move on. So next step, to try this chain wheel on the bike directly. Chain line is pretty good. Yeah, so I'm adjust this chain. As you remember, I used 2 screws from the Bafang kit, so now I'm going to adjust chain wheel with 2 Bafang screws and 3 Tongsheng screws. Here is the same like in Bafang. Yeah, I'm going to adjust the chain. The next step to adjust this cover for chain wheel to our bike. At this moment I feel no differences between Bafang and this Tongsheng motor. The model is TSDZ8 750 watt motor. Yeah, 750 watt. Then I'm going to install these cranks. Cranks are different from Bafang. Left one, like I'm sure it's different because a little bit bended. Yeah, a little bit bended. I need to put some. Then I put crank number 2. Yeah, right. Next one, I have one tradition to try the motor before I install every cable to make sure that it works. Yes. So now I just connect the battery and try to turn on the bike. Just need to connect. Oh. Yeah. And I'm going to bring the throttle. Yeah. I connect display and throttle. Oh. Guys, and the sound is different than the Bafang. Sounds differently, yeah, guys. Interesting. And the motor is silent, actually. No vibration, yeah. At this moment everything is good. But as you see here we have torque sensor, so when I rotate pedals, no support, yeah. But if I rotate harder, still no support. So I need to try this motor later on the road. So we have torque sensor, guys. This is very good. And guys from Tongsheng, if you hear me, what is this? Can you give me some explanation? Yeah, I will cut it now and make this cable shorter. But why you make so long cable? And now guys, I want to make the cable from the motor to battery shorter, so I'm going to solder it. Just need soldering, yes. Now we connect the motor and the battery on Now it's good. So now I put display on the handlebar, and then I will understand how to make this cable looks more clean. Here mounting, which I don't like, because first we need to put this small screw, which I will lose later, maybe a few times. Guys from Tongsheng, you can put some glue on the screw and will be no problem. Yeah, like this. For guys who are making this first time, can be very hard. Okay, like this, intelligent. And this is our intelligent bottom. Very old style bottom. I even want to say like classic bottom. Have some problems here, yeah, because you can damage, but actually reliable. Also question to guys from Tongsheng: if I have torque sensor, why I need brakes sensors on my levers? Yeah, so why I need this additional two connector? Yes, why? So if I don't have brake sensors in my box, in my kit, why I need this connector? Yeah, especially the question why I need these brake sensors if I have torque sensor. This cable on the display is longer than Bafang, yeah? So it gives some chance to put here, yes, to hide some cables over here, far away from the handlebar. This solution is better. Yeah, like here. It will be like here, 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 here. Okay. Okay. So I remove my BBS from my bike, and still I have gear sensor, yeah, or shift sensor. So as I understand, I can connect this shift sensor directly to Tongsheng, yes. And this is cool, yeah. Very easy to change BBS motor to Tongsheng, yeah. I will try, yeah, how it works. Maybe it doesn't work. For my bike, this main cable is very good. I have a short distance from the motor to handlebar, but I suppose for big XL frames, hardtail bikes can be a little bit short than customer need. I'm connecting speed sensor. Yes, and I need to adjust. I can even use the magnet from my BBS. Yeah, the same. No need to change. And this is funny, yes. Everything looks familiar. Here, this base for sensor is not flexible. Yes, I cannot adjust the distance between frame and magnet, but we will try this speed sensor. Maybe it can feel long distance magnet field and will be no problem. And also I see no diode light here. I'm adjusting speed sensor to my frame. I'm using a very big cable tie, because this speed sensor needs to be adjusted, but this very big cable tie. Yeah guys, here is done. I adjust speed sensor. But very hard to adjust the speed sensor for long term because it moves. Yes, so take a look here. Here is not glue or something, and I sure that I cannot use like this in future, so I need to put some glue. But first I need to check if it works or not. So I mean, like, if it's enough magnet field. And actually it works. Yeah, I see. On the screen you can see that speed sensor works. Okay, so just I need to install it. For this installation. Here. If you don't have some parts to install your Tongsheng kit, you can always take something from Bafang kit. This is from magnet sensor, yeah. And I will install it here, yeah. I connected gear sensor and I want to check if it works or not from gear sensor from Bafang. Yeah, works. Gear sensor works, yes. And this is very convenient, guys. Yes. I want to finish everything in 10 minutes, guys. Guys, when you use good quality parts, everything for you will be much easier. Guys, I have different types of throttle, so I decided to take this one. Here we go, this is finished, and I just tied some cables, put pedals, and we are ready to test. Yeah. So now I try to solve the cable problem. Maybe in future we don't need any cables. This solution is good to make longer cable from display and shorter cable to controller. This is my pedals. Very old. Sorry guys, but I still use these pedals. Because this is mid-drive, I add some grease to the chain. And this is ready, guys. I'm very happy. I want to try this motor. And also last 5 years maybe I use my bike with Bafang motor, so now it's very interesting to feel this bike with other motor. Yeah. So first I want to try my suspension. The motor is good, works. Appearance of the motor I like. Chain line is good. Appearance I like because it looks small, not so much cables, not so many cables. Actually we can try, yes, how it feels. So guys, this is great, yes. Like first impression of this motor. I feel torque sensor really well, and it works great, yes. Maybe a little bit delay, yeah, after start pedaling, not immediately support, but actually is good, yeah. What else? I feel like a lack of power, yes, if we are comparing with Bafang BBS 750W, but this motor feels better, yeah, because of torque sensor. Actually, power is enough, yeah, power is enough. I feel like a lot of power for usual riding. Okay, what else? Motor is a little bit more noisy than BBS, because BBS actually like silent, very silent. This has some noise, but this noise not annoying, yes. This noise is like usual for electric bicycles. And what else? Probably I want to change this display, because for me a little bit like simple and maybe like old design, but still now we are talking about how it feels, yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching us. Put some comments below and subscribe to our channel, and have a nice day. Bye bye.